You looking for the usual?
Actually, I was curious if you had any of that, like, that new stuff I hear is going around.
You're talking about some holiday spirit.
Yeah. Could you, like, hook me up with maybe a sample or something? I hear that stuff is crazy.
I could do that, but I gotta warn you, you've never had anything like this before. First one's a sample. After that, it's $400 for each needle.
Jesus, why so much? Is it that hard to make?
I don't know, just pick it up and sell it. Probably made in some lab.
Wait. What if I want to buy some more?
Trust me, that stuff will give you a ride till Christmas Day.
Hey, John, man. Come on in, bro. What you looking for, some more heroin? Or we in a cocaine type of mood today?
Hey, Tony. Actually, I heard about, came here to ask about a new thing. New mix going around town, something called the Holiday Spirit. Figured if anyone knew anything, you would.
Yeah, I heard of it. Actually made it.
Shit, man, really?
Really? I ain't think word to get out there fast. I guess I did a good job.
Apparently so. Think you could, think you could hook me up with some?
Look, you know you one of my best customers, but I feel like this out of your price range. Alright, hold on. Look at him. I'll hook you up with the next batch if you help me out with it. You know, give you a few syringes. Free of charge.
Are you serious? Hell yeah, whatever you need me to do.
Alright, that's good. Cause it's a strange way of making this stuff and I need you to keep an open mind.
Man, you know me, I can handle it.
Alright, I don't need you acting weird either after you see the process of making this.
Tony, I'm cool.
Alright, we'll see. Come on. John, I want you to meet my friend, Saint Nick.
What the fuck, Tony? Did you kidnap a mall Santa?
It's not a mild Santa, that's the real Santa. I caught his fat ass around Thanksgiving.
How much holiday spirit are you on right now?
The hell? I'm not high. That's the real Santa. Touch him and you'll see.
What?
Touch him, and I prove he's the real Santa. Touch him, you'll see. Go ahead.
What the hell was that?
Yeah, I know, right? Gives off this Christmas magic. It's like you see these flashes. But that was just the beginning. The real stuff is in his blood.
What do you mean his blood?
What I mean is, my holiday spirit is Santa Claus blood. I mean, this shit is a gold mine, a high concentration of magic. Man, why have Christmas on one day? You can celebrate this shit for 7 days. This is Hanukkah, baby. This motherfucker's a gold mine.
Tony, this is crazy. This is Saint Nicholas. He brings children joy. We can't do this.
And I sell crack the bombs. I ain't have shit coming up. He never gave me none. Ain't that right? I think this is justice for everyone.
Tony, calm down.
You say you can handle it. You telling me I need to stop selling you drugs? You telling me you don't want to try my product?
No. I'm sorry, Tony. I can help. Just tell me what I need to do.
Okay. Put that gloves in that bowl over there. Look at you. Appreciate it. Alright, so you don't want this stuff getting on you or nothing like that. You don't want the blood touching your skin or your ass will be tripping.
Why is he so skinny? Isn't Santa supposed to be, big and jolly?
Yeah, I know, big and jolly. I've been starving his big ass. You know, the more pain he feel, the better the visions. You know what I'm saying? So, what we gonna do is, we gonna take that gag out his mouth, and then I'm gonna start welling on his ass. And when I stop, you get the blood. Sounds like a plan? Okay.
Tony, please stop this.
Save it, you old bastard. One more for the credits. Get your ass over here. Get his fatty fluids. Yeah.
Here.
Perfect. Alright, I'm finna go process this. You make sure his ass don't leave. Make sure he don't escape.
Got it.
It's your only job. Get you a free batch, baby.
Johnny, my boy, you've got to help me.
Santa, I can't. I need it. I can't live without it.
I know what you've been struggling through, my boy. And you've always been on my nice list. So please, you've got to help me.
Tony's my friend. I can't help you.
Would he really be your friend if he had you peddling drugs? Doing the things that you've done? You're nothing more than a customer to him.
Fuck.
Tony's always been on my naughty list, ever since he was 5 years old. He used to steal candy from the stores, and now he's selling drugs to the hopeless. If we don't stop him, then Christmas will be ruined.
What do we do about Tony?
I can't help you, my boy. I'm too weak. You'll have to figure out something.
Can't you use, your magic or something?
Johnny, my boy, I got you. What you doing?
I'm sorry, man, but the world needs Christmas.
You stupid junkie. I'm gonna fucking kill you. You got some useless addict that gets make me money.
Oh shit!
Oh! The fuck? You bum! Ah! Shit. Woo!
Is he gonna be okay?
Who fucking cares?